Meaning of gazillion.
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 Gazillion. Gazillion is a slang term often used to express an exaggerated and indefinite quantity, similar to zillion or jillion. The term is not a precise number and is not recognized by any standardized system of numerical quantification. It is generally used to emphasize that there are a large, possibly infinite, number of something, or to suggest that the speaker is overwhelmed by the sheer volume of things they are referring to. In casual conversation, gazillion is often used humorously or sarcastically to imply that a given quantity is so large as to be effectively uncountable.